The first company we'll have is SME Rasayan. So we'll start with SME Rasayan.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Mahesh Vanushali, Chairman MD, SME Rasayan India Limited, trusted partner in construction chemicals. Accompanying with Mr. Nandan Pradhan, our Executive Director.
Yeah, good morning all. So it's been less than a year that we got listed at this particular venue. So it's really a privilege to be presenting over here. Thank you, Dr. Ahuja, because he was the chief guest at that moment of time also. Yeah. So SME Rasayan India Limited, we are a company into the field of construction chemicals and specialty building materials. We are serving to the needs of the infrastructure, building construction, repair, rehab, road projects, and all those kind of construction projects. A brief about the company. We are provider of solution. We are solution providers, and we have got a range of products to provide various solutions to various industries. This is the journey of the company. We started way back in 2010 as a proprietor-based company based out of Mumbai, and we had a manufacturing plant in Gujarat then. And over a period of 2 years, we got our ISO 9001 certification for the manufacturing plant. We did quite a few, more than 100 real estate projects in Mumbai alone. And then gradually we expanded in 2016. We had the vision that over a period of time we want to become a professionally managed company. So we became a private limited company in 2016. And ISI certification is a very important mark for our organization or for any organization in the construction chemical field. So we got our first ISI certification for tile adhesives and waterproofing segment in 2018. Then, as you all are aware, like 2020 was a year of COVID. So during that moment of time, we were mainly busy in creating awareness of the brand and about the products to the construction fraternity by arranging various webinars across different cities of India through online mode, of course. And 21-22, again, we started our greenfield project of manufacturing plant at Ambeti in Vapi. And the first phase is open now. We started it in June 2023. And also we started our process of listing and finally got listed in March. In fact, we are the first company in the construction chemical sphere who is listed on the National Stock Exchange. So these are a few achievements of ours in 2023. Of course, like I told you, like we are the first company to be listed on National Stock Exchange. Our first phase of manufacturing has started at Ambeti, and we have crossed 75 distributors mark, which is mainly focused on the western zone of India. That is Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Goa, and MP. So these are the regions where we are operating right now. And we are the first company who is having ISI certification for 3 major segments. There is tile adhesives, waterproofing admixtures, and wall putty. This is our product category. Just to explain you in brief so that you will understand what exactly is the business that we are conducting. So we have got admixtures. Admixtures mainly go into, if you have seen a lot of transit mixers, those who are transporting concrete across Mumbai city or across various cities. So there the concrete is being transported from one manufacturing plant of concrete to various construction sites. So for that you require admixtures to be put into that concrete so that concrete doesn't set when it is in transport. So those admixtures we are manufacturing. Then tile adhesives and tile grouts. You might have seen very fancy tiles nowadays. Tiles looking like Italian marble, and of course Italian marble itself, and granite and stone and sandstone. So for fixing all this kind of fancy material, you need good quality adhesives. So yes, we are manufacturing those tile adhesives and the epoxy tile grouts which go into the grooves, the joints of the tiles. Then leakage is a very common phenomena across various households, buildings and structures. So we manufacture waterproofing systems so that the buildings don't leak, and if they are leaking, we can stop those leakages. You have got a range of wall finishing products for your internal as well as external walls, like wall putty, paints, distempers, textures. Then we have got ready mix mortars. Ready mix mortars are ready to use products. Just like now in last few years we have seen MTR and all those brands which are ready to cook food. Similarly in construction also, no one has time to mix the material and weigh the material and then use it. So lot many things are coming ready to use, like plasters, ready-made plasters are there. So we manufacture those. Then concrete repairs, because many building structures, whatever concrete is manufactured, one day or the other, it will come for repairs. So to repair that concrete, we have got various concrete repair products, right from cementitious repairs to epoxy repairs, bonding agents, crack fillers, etc. Then protective coatings, again a range of products are there for flyovers, dams, bridges, which protect the structures from moisture, carbonation, carbon dioxide and weathering effect. Industrial floorings are there to provide good strength to the floors of the industry. May it be a metal industry, may it be a regular automobile industry. So various kind of floorings are required. So we manufacture those flooring products. Engineering grouts for foundation, machine foundation grouting. Concrete essentials, because water concrete is manufactured, you need shuttering oil, curing compound, etc. So we manufacture those. And anti-corrosive systems to prevent all the steel that is being used in various construction from corroding. So for that we have got various protective coatings for the steel rebars to the steel structures. So this is the range of products that SMCON is manufacturing. These are I would say a family where you can see different packings. We work a lot on our packing also, ensuring that we give different colors to each packing, because end of the day the construction workers who are using it at site are not that literate. So more identification happens based on colors. So that's why the packing has got different colors to it. We are
इन नटशेल थोड़ा सा जब ये प्रेजेंटेशन होता है और कंस्ट्रक्शन केमिकल सुनते हैं तो प्रोडक्ट्स डेफिनेटली एज अ लेमैन हमको समझ में नहीं आता है. इसके लिए आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू से इन अ सिंपल लैंग्वेज, फ्रॉम फाउंडेशन टू फिनिशिंग, अगर कोई भी बिल्डिंग बनता है वी हैव अ प्रोडक्ट फॉर दैट. अगर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में माल रोड्स बन रहे हैं तो येस वी हैव अ प्रोडक्ट. जितना कंक्रीट मार्केट में आएगा, ऑफ कोर्स आवर गवर्नमेंट फोकसिंग ऑन ऑल द इंफ्रा प्रोजेक्ट्स, जितना कंक्रीट मार्केट में आएगा उतने इन प्रोडक्ट्स की डिमांड बढ़ेगी. ये सेगमेंट 9 दिखाई दे रहे, बट वी आर वर्किंग ऑन 85 प्रोडक्ट्स, मोर देन 85 आई कैन से, और वो 85 प्रोडक्ट्स कंसिस्टेंटली वी आर सप्लाइंग इन द मार्केट. सो जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये प्रोडक्ट्स क्या थे. थैंक यू.
right. So like what Mr. Mahesh said is that infrastructure segment. So for that again government approvals are required. So currently we are already approved by MCGM, MHADA, SIDCO, Indian Railways, and PWD, BRC, Mahousing are under approval. So mostly in the next, because every year they keep on creating a new list of approvals. So in next list we will be present. We have got our own R&D center in Navi Mumbai, where we do lot of research on these products, and based on the research new products are being launched into the market. Even the existing products are being modified. So these are the few products that we have launched in the last few months. CI 300, which is a migratory corrosion inhibitor for RCC, then segmental bonding adhesives, food grade paints which go into the reservoirs, water reservoirs, Decor RM paint mainly used in dams and bridges, steel PU mainly used for steel structures, which are steel bridges and steel structures that are there in gates and everywhere. So these are the few projects that we have done. This is the Modak Sagar Dam, again which supplies water to the entire Mumbai area. So we have supplied for the repairs as well as the repainting of this dam. The blue color that you are seeing is what is the paint. Basically, actually there are multiple photos of this to show to you, but unfortunately this is a PDF file, so that is overlapping is not happening. Then there is a Ambarnath Jambu reservoir which supplies water to KDMC area. So again there we have given them food grade paint for the internal areas of the reservoir. Again this is water treatment plant at Pise Panjrapur. The water treatment plant, this is the biggest water treatment plant in Asia. And we have supplied this blue color paint that you can see on the screen. That entire blue color paint for the entire reservoir has been supplied by SMCON. And this reservoir is supplying water to all the homes of Mumbai, including ours. This is the Taharpur bridge near Tansa Dam. Here are the few hotels that we have done in terms of waterproofing, like Marriott in Andheri. Again, the other hotels are hidden behind. So there are few projects done in Mumbai. We have done in BKC itself, we have done project with Adani. We have done Raghulila Mall, Goregaon Sports Club, Lupin Laboratories, and then Taj Hotel at Gateway of India. So there are quite a few renowned projects that SMCON has done. Even repairs we have done to Hirapanna, Jeevan Manek, then Jindal House. So all those major repairs have been done with SMCON products. There are quite a few projects done in Pune with Shapurji, Mittal, Runwal, Naik Naure. In Gujarat also, in Vapi, Surat, we are doing multiple projects. The major being with Atlantis Group, Samatwa Group, Shriji Construction. Again, Vibrant Group, we are doing big projects. Pramukh Group, we are doing quite a few projects. Rajasthan also, we have done multiple projects with various different builders and developers. So this is about the company. As far as the vision of the company is concerned, well, we have got big, hairy, audacious goals for ourselves. We are looking forward that by 2027 we should become a 500 crore company, having spread across India and abroad. We are working towards that. We are appointing distributors, and we are also appointing franchises to expand further. There is team expansion happening. So we are looking forward to your wholesome support in this journey, and we are sure that we will reach our destination. Thank you so much. No, we are not into apply supply. We are into process of appointing authorized applicators. So we train the applicators or the application team. Like you named the Penterior. Yes, we are supplying to Penterior in a big way to various of their projects. But we ourselves don't take any apply supply jobs. No, even when the building is being constructed, we are supplying the product to the builders, developers, civil contractors, painting contractors. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
can I? Yeah, thank you for the informative presentation. Your last year revenue of 31 odd crores. There's no manufacturing contribution that's come in yet in that, right? You said it started from June.
No.
So, whatever your manufacturing is used captively for the projects, or how? And what's the breakup between the product side and the project side on the revenue?
In June, our Ambeti plant, the new greenfield project has started. But prior to that, also we had our own manufacturing facilities.
Right.
And
so, what's the contribution to the revenue, overall revenue from your products that you manufacture and because you have a lot of projects, right? So
No,
you
the projects that I was showing, there we are supplying the product only. We are not doing those projects.
okay, and you don't sell your product to outside consultants? I mean, people who do work, similar work.
Yeah, we do that.
So
Like,
what's the breakup in in-house and captive or external?
there is no captive consumption.
Okay.
We have got our own distributors. So we sell all the entire sale is to the distributors, and
Okay.
they in turn sell it to the contractors.
So the entire revenue is from your products that you manufacture,
Correct, correct.
deployed in these projects as you call it.
Correct.
Okay, thanks.
1 minute, 1 minute. Extension to his answer, I'll clear that first question also. We are manufacturing construction chemicals, which is in layman language, waterproofing chemicals, which is modern building material. So we manufacture those products in our Ambeti plant, also in Sarigam plant. From there, we are supplying that product through our distributors to developers, to repair contractors, but all the supplies is being done through our distributors. We do not deal directly with any of the customers. When I say customer is, yes, like sir said, Penterior, big contractors, big names like Penterior. So those are repair contractors. We supply to retailers from there. When your house repairs is going on, there you will be finding us with tile adhesive or some waterproofing solutions. Then developers where we supply, and road contractors. But again, the whole network through distributors.
So basically, first the PWD thing. So PWD, yes, Maharashtra PWD in the SSR itself, we are being present, and few of our specifications have been accepted by them because of the innovative products that we manufacture. And in PWD, there are multiple projects that have been lined up, right from police housing projects that are happening in various cities like Amravati and Ahmednagar and Nagpur, to the bridges and flyovers that PWD is doing. So that is there. As far as the order book is concerned, see, in construction chemical, honestly, no one gives a long-term order. So there is no long-term order plan. Yes, there are quite a few executable projects where we are targeting that in near future we'll get those orders, be it of epoxy paints, be it of repair products, be it of anti-carbonation coatings. There are multiple products that are being lined up wherein we will supply to those projects. Now, if you talk of the 500 crore journey, today we are present in 35 cities with 75 distributors, and India is a huge country. Currently, we are hardly there in 1% of the Indian market. So the scope is humongous. Also, exports, we are focusing on Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. In fact, in this month itself, on 18th of October, we have got World of Concrete Show, which is one of the biggest concrete shows in Mumbai. So there also few of our expected customers are coming to visit the show and do the tie-ups. So that way we are expanding multifold in different directions, which will ensure that we'll reach the journey.
So one question I had was, could you shed some light on the industry as a whole? What is the size of the industry, and who are the major players as of today? That will probably provide some insights into how large you can get over a period of time.
Okay. So the Indian construction chemical industry is expected currently, as per the recent reports, to around 6,000 crore dollars. And as per that, the industry is very huge. And yes, there are, due to the huge size of the industry in recent times, like I would say in last 24 months, there are 6 to 7 huge players who have come in, right from Asian Paints, Nerolac, Berger is there, then Aditya Birla has come in, JSW has come in. So there are multiple big players who are coming into the industry, which helps in creating awareness of the industry and making it more organized, and thus ensuring fair competition. So that's about the industry.
I have couple of questions just to address upon.
Yeah.
What is, I was seeing with regard to a working capital cycle, with regard to debtor cycle and the inventory cycle, could you just throw a bit of light with regard to same along with the distribution network, how you sell the goods to your distributors? It is under a sale return policy or without return policies? What is the same when you appoint a new distributors? Because if you see the debtors, these are sitting on a high cycle period. That's the case. Just throw a light over the same, sir.
Yeah. So see, distributors, they are distributors who are directly billed, so it's no return policy is not there, and they are under certain agreement. So ideally the credit period varies from 45 to 60 days with the distributors. Yes, construction industry itself has got huge credit periods, due to which you can see a longer working capital cycle because of the same reason, because in turn those distributors are selling it to contractors and builders, where the credit period ranges from 90 to 120 days to even 180 days with few big contractors. But yes, we don't have to take the risk of those further sales, because our distributors are financially very stable and they ensure the cycle as per the terms that we have agreed upon.
Okay, there's the last one. The second one is with regard to your capacity. You have two manufacturing plant. So the other one which you told has been operational in June 2023, or it's still not under operation? It's operational? The second one?
Yeah, the second one is operational. The first phase is operational in that.
Okay.
So the first phase is operational, and since June we have started taking out material from that plant. If I talk of the capacity, it is 18,000 metric ton. Currently, till now, we have used only 16% of the total capacity of annum.
So just a quick pointers. What is the capacity and how much capacity you are utilizing as on September or June 2023 or March 2023 results? The capacity which was there and what capacity you are utilized upon?
So as on March 23, the total capacity was around 15,000 metric ton, and we have overutilized it. So we operated at around 125% of that by working in multiple shifts. So because we were not having the capacity to service the orders that we had got, so of course we had to go over and above that.
Thank you, everyone. I think the 10 minutes Q&A is up. The management will still be around. So in the interest of time, we'll keep speeding up. Now I'll request the most senior most investor over here, Mr. Anmol Sekhri ji. He's a guide to a lot of Mumbai investors, to please give a token of affection from our side.